Google Cloud Storage. So we'll be covering the cloud storage in this quick lab. Let's quickly go through it. First we'll do is start the lab. Let me start the lab. It's going to take 1 credit. That is fine. Now I'm connected to the Google Cloud Platform using the credentials that we got from this page. Now in the lab, the first task is to create a bucket. So we'll go to the navigation menu, storage, browser. So this is go to the navigation menu. We go to just scroll down, storage. Under the storage, we have browser. Then first we have to create the bucket. So the bucket name we have to give should be unique. So one of the ways we can give a unique name is by, let's say, taking this project ID, because we know Google project ID is unique. So we'll create a new bucket using this project ID, and in the end we will append something as bucket 01, and then we can specify whether we want it to be a regional or multi-region. So let's see what the task says. It says that we need to have a multi-region location, and location is US, which is coming by default. So let's to continue, and then we just simply click on the create button. So this will create a bucket. So once the bucket gets created, so this will be, in a way, it's just like folder in we have in Windows or the Unix. So it's like we have a bucket here, and within that bucket we are going to store data. So let's check the task whether the bucket is created. Yeah, task is complete. So you get the score of 50. Next step is a couple of questions. Every bucket must have a unique name across the entire cloud storage. Yeah, that is true. Cloud storage offers which storage class? So it offers, I think, all. Cold line, nearline, standard. Not probably archive, I guess. Oh, I guess maybe all. Yeah, all. Now upload an object into it. So we can upload an object, maybe a file, into this bucket. So what we can do, we just download, we'll click this link to download the portrait. So I'm just clicking this link, it will download this portrait. So I just right clicked on this particular picture, and I saved it. Now let's follow the steps. So we have to go to back to the GCP, and upload this file there. So let's go here, and we are going to upload files. So we are inside this bucket, the bucket that we created. Now we will just click upload files, and it will allow us the option to select the file. So this is the file that we downloaded. I'm just uploading it. Upload has started. It's complete. Let's close this. Yeah, you can see this is complete. Now the file is uploaded in the bucket. Now if you want, you can delete it also. There are a couple of other operations that we can perform. Like if you can select this and click here, there are a couple of options, like we can rename it, we can edit the metadata permissions, copy, move, other options we can perform, or we can delete it. Let's rename this, and we are going to rename as per the lab is ada.jpg. So ada.jpg, this is the rename is done. Okay, now let's check the progress of the task. So this is done. So object names must be unique within a given bucket. That is true. Just like we within a folder we have all the files with a unique name, so that is also true. Share an object publicly. Now the file is loaded. Now we can share it publicly. What we have to do, we just simply click here and edit the permissions, and we are going to add an entry, and it's going to be public, all users read only. So this is what they have said in this lab. Public all users reader role. So this is the public all users reader role. Just save it. So once you do this, what you basically see here is a URL. If you copy this URL and paste it here, or you can share this link with anybody, so anybody can access this link and get this file. So that's how you can publicly share the link of a file over the internet by just editing the permissions. So this is done. So let's see, we are able to accomplish all the tasks of this lab, and we will close the lab now, ending the lab. So that's it for this. Thank you.